Do you know that your eyes can actually reveal a lot about your health? In fact, certain eye exams can detect about 20 surprising health problems, such as brain tumors, diabetes, heart disease, and even cancers of blood, tissue, or skin. Our eyes are truly incredible organs that allow us to perceive the beauty and diversity of the world around us. But unfortunately, our eyes are also very vulnerable to damage from many factors in our everyday life, such as aging, blue light, UV rays, and even poor nutrition. These factors can cause various eye problems, such as dryness, irritation, blurred vision, and even infections or eye diseases. And that's not something we want to happen, right? We want to keep our eyes healthy and sharp for as long as possible. But what if I told you that there are some special fruits that can actually help you protect your eyes and repair your vision? These special fruits contain powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and phytochemicals that can nourish your eyes, prevent eye problems, and improve your eyesight. In this video, we will reveal the best 8 fruits to protect your eyes and repair your vision according to studies. And at the end, we will share with you a recipe for a delicious smoothie, so you can easily add these fruits to your diet. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Oranges. Oranges are not just good for a vitamin C boost, but they are also your eye's best friend. But why oranges? What's so special about them? Well, the answer lies in the magic of flavonoids. These are powerful antioxidants found in oranges that have important anti-inflammatory benefits for your eyes. In fact, a fascinating study by the Westmead Institute for Medical Research revealed some eye-opening results. They followed over 2,000 adults aged over 50 for a whopping 15 years. And guess what they found? Those who ate at least one orange every day had a more than 60% reduced risk of developing late macular degeneration 15 years later. The researchers said that other sources of flavonoids, such as tea, apples, and red wine, did not show the same effect. Now you might be wondering, how can I add more oranges to my diet? Well, it's easier than you think. You can start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice or add some orange slices to your salad for lunch. You can even enjoy it as a sweet treat after dinner. Remember, even eating an orange once a week seems to offer significant benefits. Number 2. Grapes. Grapes are not just delicious, but also packed with eye-protecting antioxidants. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, which is an antioxidant that can protect your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can cause eye diseases such as AMD and cataracts. Resveratrol can also prevent the death of retinal cells and preserve your vision function. In a recent study done in 2023, researchers found that participants who consumed grapes for 16 weeks had significant improvements in their eye health. The study showed that participants who ate grapes had a significant increase in macular pigment optical density. Now you might be wondering, what's that? Well, it's a fancy term for a measure of how well your retina can protect itself from harmful blue light. They also showed a decrease in harmful advanced glycation end products, which are molecules that can impair your cellular function and cause oxidative stress. The participants who did not eat grapes saw the opposite effects. Their macular pigment decreased, and their advanced glycation end products increased. So, to get these benefits, you can toss some grapes in your morning cereal, add them to your salad for lunch, or just snack on them throughout the day. The recommended amount of grapes is about 1.5 cups per day, which is equivalent to 2 or 3 handfuls. Number 3. Goji berries. Goji berries are small red fruits that have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to improve eye health. But what makes them so good for your eyes? Well, goji berries are rich in 2 pigments called lutein and zeaxanthin, which are also found in the macula of your eyes. The macula is the part of your retina that is responsible for your central vision and color perception. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural sunglasses for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light and protecting your eyes from oxidative damage. They also help to prevent or delay the development of age-related macular degeneration, which is the leading cause of blindness in older people. In a recent study done in 2022, researchers from the University of California found that healthy middle-aged people who ate 28 grams, about 1 ounce or a handful, of dried goji berries 5 times a week for 90 days increased the density of protective pigments in their eyes. In contrast, those who took a supplement containing lutein and zeaxanthin did not show any improvement. This means that goji berries can boost your eye health more than synthetic supplements. So how can you add goji berries to your diet? It's easy. You can eat them as a snack, add them to your cereal, yogurt, or smoothies, or use them in baking or cooking. You can also make a delicious goji berry tea by steeping some dried berries in hot water. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Papaya. Ever wondered why papayas are often called the fruit of the angels? Well, let me tell you, it's not just because of their sweet taste. These tropical fruits are packed with some serious eye-protecting nutrients. First of all, papaya is loaded with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can fight against eye diseases and infections. Vitamin C helps your eyes produce collagen, which is the protein that keeps your cornea and sclera strong and flexible. In addition to vitamin C, papaya also contains other antioxidants that can significantly improve your eye health. One of them is beta-carotene, which is a type of vitamin A that helps your eyes see in dim light. Another one is lycopene, which gives papaya its red color. Lycopene can protect your eyes from sun damage and UV rays by absorbing them and preventing them from reaching your retina. To get these benefits, you can enjoy papaya fresh as a snack, add it to your salads for a tropical twist, or blend it into a refreshing smoothie. And guess what? You can even use it as a meat tenderizer thanks to its enzyme called papain. Number 5. Blueberries. One of the main benefits of blueberries for your eyes is their high content of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give blueberries their beautiful color, and they also help your eyes in many ways. For example, these anthocyanins can prevent or slow down the development of cataracts, which are cloudy areas in the lens of your eye that can impair your vision. In a study conducted in 2016, it was found that anthocyanins, which are the compounds that give blueberries their vibrant color, can shield the cornea from damage. But wait, there's more. A 2015 study also found that these same anthocyanins could help protect the retina against diabetic damage. Another benefit of blueberries for your eyes is their ability to improve your night vision and recovery from bright light exposure. This is important because your eyes need to adapt to different light conditions, and blueberries can help them do that faster and better. To add blueberries to your diet, you can snack on a handful of fresh blueberries or add them to your morning oatmeal for a nutritious start to your day. You can also just blend some blueberries with yogurt and a splash of almond milk. Number 6. Mangoes. Who doesn't love mangoes? They are juicy, sweet, and delicious. But did you know that they are also amazing for your eyes? Mangoes are one of the best sources of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining the health of your cornea, which is the outer layer of your eye that covers the iris and pupil. Vitamin A also helps to prevent night blindness, which is a condition that makes it hard to see in dim light. But that's not all. Mangoes also contain beta-carotene, another antioxidant that converts into vitamin A in your body and protects your eyes from free radical damage, which are unstable molecules that can cause inflammation and oxidative stress in your eyes, leading to eye diseases such as cataracts and glaucoma. In fact, in a study conducted by the Harvard School of Public Health, researchers found that people who consumed at least 3 servings of fruits per day had a 36% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. And guess what? Among the fruits, mangoes were found to have the highest amount of beta-carotene. So what are you waiting for? You can slice a ripe mango and enjoy it as a refreshing snack. Or how about blending it into your favorite smoothie for a tropical twist? And don't forget about salsas. Diced mango can add a sweet and tangy flavor to various dishes. Number 7. Kiwi. Kiwis are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are 2 carotenoids that are essential for your eye health. Like what we mentioned, these compounds are found in the center of your retina, called the macula, and they help filter out harmful blue light and prevent oxidative damage. This way, they can protect your eyes from age-related diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. For example, one study found that people who ate 3 or more servings of kiwi per week had a 36% lower risk of developing macular degeneration than those who ate less than 1.5 servings per week. That's a huge difference, don't you think? Another study showed that eating kiwi can improve your visual acuity, which is the ability to see fine details. The researchers measured the visual acuity of 79 healthy adults before and after they ate 2 kiwis per day for 4 weeks. They found that the kiwi group had a significant improvement in their near and distance vision compared to the control group. So how can you eat more kiwi? Well, you can peel it and eat it as a snack, or you can slice it and add it to your salads, smoothies, yogurt, or cereal. You can also make a kiwi jam, sauce, or sorbet and enjoy it with other fruits, ice cream, or cake. Kiwi is a versatile and tasty fruit that can help you protect your eyes from AMD and keep them bright and clear. Number 8. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent oxidative damage to your eyes. Oxidative damage can cause cataracts, macular degeneration, and other eye diseases. Vitamin C also helps maintain the health of your blood vessels and collagen in your eyes. Collagen is a protein that gives structure and strength to your eyes. One study followed over 1,000 women for 10 years and found that those who consumed at least 362 milligrams of vitamin C per day had a 33% lower risk of cataract progression than those who consumed less than 140 milligrams per day. And guess what? One serving of strawberry contains 51.5 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about half of our daily requirement. To reap these benefits, you can dice strawberries and add them to your salad, or mix cut strawberries into a spinach salad with walnuts and goat's cheese. You can even place them on toast instead of jelly or jam. Or why not make your own fruit cocktail with fresh fruit, including grapes, pineapple, sliced peaches, and strawberries. So these were the best 8 fruits that can help you improve your eye health and vision naturally. By adding them to your diet, you can prevent or delay the onset of common eye diseases and also enjoy better visual acuity, night vision, and light adaptation. Now let's get to the delicious smoothie that is packed with nutrients beneficial for eye health. All you need is a blender and the following ingredients: 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 ripe kiwi, peeled and chopped, 4 large strawberries, stems removed, half a banana, peeled and sliced, 1 cup of plain yogurt or almond milk, and a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. To make the smoothie, simply add all the ingredients to your blender and blend until smooth and creamy. You can adjust the sweetness and consistency by adding more honey or almond milk if needed. You can enjoy this refreshing and nutritious smoothie for breakfast or as a snack to treat your eyes to a dose of antioxidants, vitamin C, and carotenoids. Now we want to hear from you. Do you eat some of these fruits regularly? Did you experience some of these benefits? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.